CPI stands for cost per install, and it is a pricing model used in CPA, cost per action, marketing. In CPI marketing, advertisers pay a specific amount for each installation or download of their mobile application. CPA marketing encompasses various actions beyond just installs, such as form submissions, sign-ups, purchases, or other desired user actions. CPI is specifically focused on tracking and paying for app installations. In CPI marketing, advertisers typically collaborate with affiliates or publishers who have access to a relevant audience and can drive app downloads through various channels, including mobile ad networks, social media, websites, or email marketing. When an affiliate or publisher successfully drives an installation of the advertiser's app, they are credited for the install, and the advertiser compensates them based on the agreed-upon CPI rate. The CPI rate may vary depending on factors such as the region, platform, iOS or Android, app category, and specific campaign details. CPI marketing is commonly employed by mobile app developers or companies looking to increase their user base or app installations. It allows them to track and attribute the cost directly to the number of app installs, enabling them to measure the effectiveness of their marketing campaigns and optimize their return on investment, ROI. For affiliates or publishers, CPI marketing can be an attractive opportunity to monetize their mobile traffic by promoting and driving app installations. They earn a commission for each successful installation generated through their promotional efforts. In summary, CPI for CPA marketing refers to the cost per install model, where advertisers pay affiliates or publishers a fixed amount for each app installation driven through their marketing activities. It is a common pricing model in mobile app marketing campaigns.